Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the flag of Sweden. It has a rectangular shape and you can see a cross-like symbol and it's of yellow color, and on the four corners you can have a dark blue color. Let's put the color first. So we're starting with the yellow color in the middle. Let's put the yellow. Swedish flag is very easy, not so complicated. That's why it's not going to take much time. Okay, so the white part is done. Now we're going to put the blue part on the four sides. Let's put the dark blue color on the rectangular and square symbols here. Okay, all right, so this two part is done. Now I'm working for the right side. It's the same color for the four corners of the flag. There's the dark blue color. All right. So the last part is going to be done. Okay. Alright, now you can see the presentations of the Swedish flag. I hope you like the videos. It's a very simple flag. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.